The Nigeria Customs Service Strike Force Zone A has impounded a truck loaded with 74,000 bottles of codeine syrup concealed in 374 cartons. Other seizures also revealed the interception of foreign rice, vegetable oil and second-hand clothing. The strike force coordinator, Abubakar Kakudi, told TVC News that while the cough syrup with codeine was intercepted within the Lagos metropolis, the other items were recovered along the land border areas of Ogun State. TVC News correspondent Ifunanya Eze has the details now.
Till date, cough syrup with codeine remains a contraband in Nigeria. This has been so since May 2018, when the federal government announced a ban over incidences of gross misuse and addiction. Sadly, smugglers are still finding ways of bringing in the illicit product into the country. This truck could easily pass for another means of cargo conveyance if intelligence report had not tipped off customs operatives about the real content of the goods inside the truck. The truck was said to be carrying printing papers and key padlocks, but on further inspection was found to be concealing hundreds of cartons of codeine syrup.
This trailer is just coming in now, and it was suspected to be carrying an custom goods. So it was brought down here to our office. So we are inspecting it now, and we discover that there is a concealment of codeine syrup.
Hundreds of bags of foreign parboiled rice are still making inroad into the country despite the closure of land borders. The constant seizures by the Customs Strike Force has not deterred smugglers who continue to devise new means of concealing foreign rice smuggled into the country.
They use the concealed rice inside the maize and the gari. That's how they take to conceal rice inside the beans in Sokoto and the Bauchi. Let us patronize our locally produced food items.
While showcasing the latest seizures, 2 buses loaded with pineapples were brought in. Shortly after, it was found to be concealing bags of foreign rice.
They use pineapple to conceal the rice, and on removing the pineapple, you can see some unspecified bag of rice inside the buses, the 2 buses.
There is no gainsaying that customs anti-smuggling strategies must be constantly upgraded if it hopes to be steps ahead of smugglers who have remained relentless. Ifunanya Eze, TVC News, Lagos.